Elizabeth here at Tameron Honda of Hoover. Lines of Civics for you to choose from, starting with that LXs, which is you're interested in, The 2020 now gives you adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, even collision braking. Now, this is known as your driver assist suite, Honda Sensing. There's a whole lot more on it too, like the FM radio, how it changes the stations. We'll go over all the important stuff. I'll even show you how your trunk space is magnified now. 205-519-1710. I'm Mary Elizabeth here at Tameron Honda of Hoover, where I guarantee you're gonna love the way you're treated. Bye.